Alright, if you're in Kenya, thinking about diving into Forex trading, who can you actually trust with your hard-earned cash? Regulation is key. Look for brokers licensed by CMA Kenya, FCA in the UK, SISEC in Europe. That makes your money safer. Now names to know. WealthNest, super low spreads, instant withdrawals, fast, user-friendly app, great for beginners, great for pros, FX Pisa, regulated in Kenya by the CMA, that's a big deal. Solid customer service, supports local payments, M-Pisa. Also consider Hot Forex, Pepperstone, trusted internationally, tight spreads, strong educational resources. Don't jump in. Try demo accounts first, get the feel, test your strategies, only go live when you're truly comfortable. Forex isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Take your time, do your research, trade responsibly. Questions? Drop them in the comments. Good luck and trade smart.